afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. This is a special message from me to you, the members. There's has been some changes here at the house. Robin and I have separated. We don't know for how long, but we are working on things. So if my messages have been kind of weird lately because I've been just talking about myself and cooking for one, it's because I have been. There's going to be some adjustments, here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm going to be trying to produce as much content that I normally do. Nothing has changed with the herbs and spices or the cookbooks or anything like that. There might be days that I don't cook because I have leftovers. I am looking for suggestions on how to cook for one without having oodles and oodles of leftovers. A good example is the soup I'm doing tonight is technically a 3-cup liquid soup versus like the 5, 6, 7 cup soups that I normally do. So Robin and I, we're working things out. I'm not going to go into details, but just let you know that this is what's going on here at the Casual Chef's home. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and direct message me, through Messenger or whatever. I will not answer personal questions, in a thread. Of course, your good thoughts and prayers are wanted, and we're thankful for them. So, as I always say, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.